Oh my gosh. Hey YouTube! Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply at Bibo Global Opportunity, and I will give you a detailed information on the process. So let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to their website at bibo.com.ph. So once you're on the website, which is the one on the screen, just hover your mouse to apply now, and then you will be directed to the online application form of Bibo. So if you notice, just very few necessary informations that you need to fill out, and please note that the assessment right here is one of the most important part of this application. Why? This will determine whether you will proceed to the Skype interview. So once you filled out the form, you can just click apply, and then Bibo will receive your application. So you will have to wait 24 hours for them to review your application, and then you will receive an email confirmation from them whether you pass this assessment or not. If you do, that's a good job. So book your interview schedule. So your interview schedule would depend on your availability and the time that's available in their system. So once booking is done, then you will receive an interview link that you can access 10 minutes before your interview. So you need to be online on Skype 30 minutes before your scheduled time, because they will require you to pass your speed test result, one valid ID, and a picture of your LAN cable next to the telephone. So what do you need to prepare before your interview? You need to have a good and working desktop or laptop, headset with noise cancelling feature and external microphone, just like this, LAN cable, and then you need to make sure that you have a plain white background and it has to be well lit. Make sure that your environment is conducive for learning. That means there's no noise around, like dogs barking, cars honking, and so on, because that will fail you. So what to expect on the interview? Basically, they will ask something about you so that they could get to know you better, and then they will ask questions to gauge your pronunciation, your grammar, and how wide is your vocabulary. At the end of the interview, you will know whether you pass or not. If you do, then congratulations. So after the interview, you will be scheduled for an orientation. So what's the purpose of the orientation? The orientation will guide you what to prepare and how to conduct your lesson. So this will take about 4 to 5 hours. Remember, there will be 2 demo classes that day. Your demo class with 2 different evaluators. The evaluators will determine your pros and cons. Pros are the positive, the things that you have applied after your orientation and training. And then the cons are the things that you have to work on and improve. So the trainer who conducted the orientation will be the one to tell you whether you passed the demo classes or not. If you do, then you will proceed to the contract signing. Now, let's move on to the requirements. So requirements are very important because you have to submit them before even working or started working at Bibo Global. So the first requirement is the photo and the video. Let's talk about the guidelines of these two. So for the pictures, you need to submit 2 formal photos and 2 freestyles. it has to be clear, because if the photo or photos are pixelated, they will reject that, and you need to send another set of photos, and that will be very time consuming for you if you really want to have the job right away. Okay, and then for the video, it has to be for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure that it's well illuminated, plain white background just like this, and you need to look at the camera when it's being recorded. So don't do it by yourself, because it has to be like half body shot. And then landscape. The second one is you should have a BPI account. It has to be BPI savings account, not family savings account, just BPI savings account. This is where your salary will be remitted. And then the third one will be your TIN. They are requiring this because your salary is taxable. So once you submitted all the requirements, then your account will be activated in 2 to 3 business days. So if you have submitted the requirements Friday, you'd have to wait till Tuesday or Wednesday to get activated. If you do not receive any email of deactivation, then you can email them about it. And once your account gets activated, then you have to attend the tax orientation. This orientation will educate you why Bibo Global is deducting tax from your salary. Once done with the tax orientation, then you can start opening slots and start teaching. So this is the end of my video, and I hope that this video helps you understand the process and the flow of recruitment at Bibo Global Opportunity. If you find this video helpful, you can give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments and suggestions or any questions about Bibo Global Opportunity, you can comment down below on the comments section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.